Let's remember this is an academic exercise. The noise is too much. Let's compose ourselves. And please, we are playing boys in this context. I believe you all pride yourself as gentlemen. I believe you all pride yourself as gentlemen. So far, the only ones who have behaved as gentlemen from Opoku, they have been the only ones who have shown the identity. When you were thinking anything, when you came, they didn't listen to you. When it was their turn to do their money, then you were telling. Please, shame on you. Please. Let's comport ourselves. Let's comport ourselves. Please. As we always say, the loudest wins. It has never been the loudest drama that wins the contest. The contest is going to be won on this day. Let's comport ourselves. Let's allow the contestants to do their work. In less than an hour, we will have our regional champion. Please, we don't want to be moving you up. We don't want to be moving you up. We know you came here because you want to work. But don't give us reason to drive you out. Because if you do, they will drive you out. Please, don't give us reason to drive you out. Please, once again, don't give us reason to drive you out. And those are the thoughts. Those are the thoughts. If the noise becomes too much there, we will move all of you outside. If the noise becomes too much there, we will instruct the policemen here to move all of you out. Please, let's compose ourselves. Thank you. Please, one more thing. The chairs are for sitting, not standing on. Please, if you win the contest, don't stand on these chairs. These chairs are for KUS. They graciously give us these chairs, and a lot of them are gone. Because you stand on them and do all your dramatic things. Now we have to go there and wait there. Please. Those are the thoughts. Already we have a number of broken seats we have to go and pay for. We don't want to pay for any more chairs. If I see you standing on the chair, you'll move you out. The one.
Hello. Welcome to the Absa Bank Regional Championship. We are at the grand finale of the 2022 edition of the Ashanti Regional Championship. This contest features Opoku Ware School, Kumasi High School, and Osei Tutu SHS. So this is a contest between the two royals and the Oli High School. All right. Let's meet the contestants. Opoku Ware School is represented by
Apia Kubi Justice.
and
Edu Romeo Apia Kubi.
okay. Kumasi High School is represented by
Amo Lord JC.
and
Ayirako Ebenezer and Nkrumah.
okay. Osei Tutu SHS is represented by
AJ Mensa Francis.
and
James Samuel Yao.
well done. All right. So before I continue, I would like to acknowledge that Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News NYFM. This is a primetime production. My name is William James Akampolimba, your quizmaster. Now, contestants, the contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round is made up of fundamental concepts in science and mathematics. Simple, direct questions requiring simple and direct answers from you. A correct answer in this round fetches you 3 points. If you are unable to answer your major question correctly, that question may be passed on for a bonus point. That bonus question will be competed for by the other 2 remaining schools. And so once a school rings the bell and picks up that bonus question and answers it correctly, that school earns 1 point. Otherwise, that school will have 1 point deducted. So be very careful the way you pick bonuses. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations, and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. All questions, I repeat, all questions should be attempted once only. Please, if for any reason I ask you to repeat an answer, do so honorably. I hope it's clear. All right. So round 1. For the first set of questions, it will require 30 seconds of your time, and there is a preamble, after which I'll come to you, Osei Tutu. Give the major product formed from the reaction of the following alkanes with limited amount of chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight. Do you have it? I'll take it once again. Give the major product formed from the reaction of the following alkanes with limited amount of chlorine or bromine in the presence of sunlight. So, Osei Tutu, propane plus Cl2. Go ahead.
Dichloropropane. Dichloropropane.
No. Kumasi High School.
2-chloropropene.
Yes. Opoku Ware. Butane plus Br2. Go ahead.
2 bromo butane.
Yes. Kumasi High School. 2-methyl propane plus Br2. Yes, go ahead.
2 bromo, 2 methyl propane.
Exactly. Next. 30 seconds. Osei Tutu. A 2.00 kilogram particle, initially at rest, is acted upon only by a constant 15.0 Newton and a constant 2.27 Newton force, which makes an angle of 30.0 degrees. Find the speed of the particle 3.60 seconds after the forces begin to act. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
6.33 meters per second.
No, for a bonus. I'll hold on to the answer. Opoku Ware School. A constant 5.00 Newton force and a constant 4.00 Newton force that make an angle of 60.0 degrees are the only forces acting on a 3.00 kilogram particle, which moves from rest under the action of the two forces. Find the distance the particle moves to attain a speed of 2.00 meters per second. Bonus. I continue. Kumasi High. A constant 8.00 Newton force and a constant 2.00 Newton force that make an angle of 45.0 degrees are the only forces acting on a 5.00 kilogram particle, which moves from rest under the action of the two forces. Find the distance the particle moves to attain a speed of 8.00 meters per second. Yes, go ahead.
5.00 meters.
No, for a bonus. The right answer is 16.8 meters. Opoku Ware, yours, 0.768 meters. And then Osei Tutu, 30.6 meters per second. Next set, 10 seconds each, and there's a preamble. In reference to formation and excretion of urine, indicate where the following processes take place. Do you have it? In reference to the formation and excretion of urine, indicate where the following processes take place. Osei Tutu, reabsorption of 70 to 80% of electrolytes. Go ahead.
The proximal convoluted tubule of the kidney.
Yes. Opoku. Ionic balance. Yes, go ahead.
Loop of Henle.
No. Yes, Kumasi High.
Distal convoluted tubule.
Yes. Kumasi High. Formation of concentrated urine. Yes, go ahead.
In the collecting that.
No, for bonus. Yes, Osei Tutu.
The descending loop of Henle.
Yes. Next. "30 seconds and there's a preamble. Find the distance between the centers of the two circles. Do you have it? Find the distance between the centers of the two circles. Osei Tutu. X squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 10y is equal to 9. And x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 23. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
5 units.
Yes. Opoku. Opoku with the same preamble. X squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 12y is equal to 8. And x squared plus y squared minus 12y is equal to 30. Go ahead.
13 units.
Yes. Kumasi High School. X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y is equal to 5. And x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. Go ahead.
5 units.
Yes. That's it. 30 seconds each. Osei Tutu, calculate the solubility in milligram per dm cube of BaCO3 at 25 degrees Celsius, giving its solubility product to be 1.00 times 10 to the power negative 10. Take the atomic mass of Ba to be 137, that of carbon 12.0, oxygen 16.0. Yes, go ahead.
One 0.97 milligram per decimeter cube.
Yes. Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware. Calculate the solubility in milligram per dm cube of BaSO4 at 25 degrees Celsius, giving its solubility product to be 1.00 times 10 to the power negative 10. Take the atomic mass of Ba to be 137, sulfur 32.0, oxygen 16.0. Yes, go ahead.
2.33 milligram per dm cube.
Yes. Kumasi High School. Calculate the solubility in milligram per dm cube of CaCO3 at 25 degrees Celsius, giving its solubility product as 1.00 times 10 to the power negative 8. Take the atomic mass of calcium to be 40.0, that of carbon 12.0, and oxygen 16.0. Yes, go ahead.
10.0 milligram per decimeter cube.
Yes. Next set, 30 seconds. Osei Tutu. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of a 4.00 microcoulomb charge of mass 2.50 times 10 to the power negative 5 kilograms in a uniform 48.0 volts per meter electric field. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
So the acceleration is given by 7.68 by 10 to the power negative 1 meters per second squared.
No. Yes, Kumasi High School. Go ahead.
7.68 meters per second squared.
Yes. Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware. Find the magnitude of the uniform electric field in which a 9.00 microcoulomb charge of mass 4.00 times 10 to the power negative 5 kilograms has a 5.49 meters per second squared acceleration. Yes, go ahead if you are ready. Go ahead.
We have 3.88 by 10 exponent 1 volts per meter.
No. Yes, Kumasi High.
24.4 volts per meter.
Yes. Kumasi High School. All right, Kumasi High. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of a 6.40 microcoulomb charge of mass 2.40 times 10 to the power negative 5 kilograms in a uniform 96.0 volts per meter electric field. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
9.60 meters per second squared.
No. Yes, Osei Tutu.
25.6 meters per second squared.
Yes. Next set. 10 seconds each. 10 seconds. Please. I believe you all want to jubilate. And you can only jubilate if they hear the questions and answer them right. So if you make noise, they will not hear the questions and answer them correctly. All right. Osei Tutu. A flowering plant was planted in a flower pot and watered. Urea was added to make the plant grow faster. But after some time, the plant died. This may be due to what process? Go ahead. Go ahead.
This is due to the fact that the urea increased the osmotic potential of the soil, causing water to move from the flower to the soil and causing water to move from the flower to the soil. This is because of osmosis. Osmosis.
No. Yes, Opoku Ware?
Wilton.
No. The right answer is exosmosis. We said osmosis. All right, Opoku Ware. Water moves up against gravity and even to the tip of a tree that is 20 meters high. What is the important physiological phenomenon that is responsible for the upward movement of water? Go ahead.
Transpirational pool.
Yes. Kumasi High School. A gardener forgot to water his potted plant for a day during a Harmattan season. What will happen to the plant? Go ahead.
The plants will lose water and the plants will lose moisture and wilt and
Yes. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds each, and there's a preamble. Solve the logarithmic equation for real x. You have it. Solve the logarithmic equation for real x. Osei Tutu, log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 2 of the expression in bracket x minus 7 is equal to 3. Go ahead.
X is 8.
Yes. Opoku Ware, with the same preamble, log to the base 6 of the expression in brackets x plus 5 plus log to the base 6 of x is equal to 2. Yes, go ahead.
X is 4.
Yes. Last question, Kumasi High. Log to the base 3 of the expression in bracket x minus 5 plus log to the base 3 of the expression in brackets x plus 3 is equal to 2. Yes, go ahead.
X is 6.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 1.
I landed. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. Baby, other day I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Hello. At the end of round 1, here are the scores. Opoku Ware School has 14 points. Osei Tutu SHS, 14 points. And Kumasi High School, 19 points. Round 2. Round 2 is also known as the speed race. In this round, all questions are directed to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell gets the opportunity to answer correctly for 3 points on the first attempt, 2 points on the second attempt, and 1 point on the third attempt. However, in any of these attempts, if a school fails to provide the correct answer, that school will lose a precious point. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. Please, let me caution you here. If you ring the bell to answer a question and I call the name of your school, first time, answer does not come. Second time, the answer does not come, the bell will go. If the bell goes, I will not accept any answer from you again. Even if you say the answer, I won't take it. All right. Please, so when you ring, your answer must be ready. All right. First set, 10 seconds each. Which of the following symptoms are likely to happen due to inadequate filtration in the Bowman's capsule of the kidney? A, increase in blood pressure. B, increase in blood urea level. C, accumulation of fluid in the body. D, all of the... Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
D, all of the above.
Yes. Please, switch on all your mics. Put all the mics on. So, no, I'm going to press mic, please. Okay. Next, which metal ion is a constituent of chlorophyll? Yes, Opoku Ware?
Magnesium.
Yes. Next. Name the force. Name the force that is responsible for guttation in plants. Yes, Opoku Ware? Go ahead.
Root pressure.
Yes. Next. Thirty seconds each. Four moles of an ideal gas at an initial pressure of 10.0 kilopascal and an initial volume of 4.00 meter cube undergo an isothermal expansion to a volume of 8. Yes, Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu.
40.0 kilojoules.
No. So I continue. 8.0 meter cube. Find the work done by the gas. Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
230 kilojoules.
No. The right answer is 27.7 kilojoules. Next, the net force acting on an object is given by 4 Ti Newton per second. Find the magnitude of the impulse of the net force between T equals 1 second and T equals 5 seconds. Yes, Kumasi High.
16 I Newton second.
No. Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu.
50 I
No.
newtons.
Opoku Ware also rank. Go ahead.
42 I kilogram meter per second.
No. The right answer is 48 Newton second. Next. The density of a liquid is 1.20 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cubed. At a location where the gravitational field equals standard gravity and atmospheric pressure equals 101 kilopascal. Find the absolute pressure at a depth of 1.5. Kumasi High. Kumasi High.
18 kilopascal.
No. Did anybody ring? 1.50 meters in the liquid. Yes, Opoku Ware.
119 kilopascal.
Yes. Next set. $30 each. 12.8 grams of oxygen gas and 16.8 grams of nitrogen gas are sealed in a vessel at standard temperature. If the total pressure of the gases is found to be 220 kilopascal, what is the partial pressure of nitrogen gas? Yes, Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
132 kilopascal.
Exactly. Next. Please. Determine the sum of the coefficient of all products in a balanced equation of the reaction CrO3 plus NH2 going into H2O plus N2 plus Cr2O3. The right answer, or the answer is 11. Next, how many atoms are present in the empirical formula of the compound with the formula C12, H30, O18, and N9? Yes, Kumasi High. Go ahead.
23 atoms.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. $30. Find the finite area bounded by the curve y is equal to 3 plus 2x minus x squared and the x-axis. (32/3 square units). Next one. Find the average rate of change of area of a circle as the radius changes from 5 centimeters to 9 centimeters. Yes, Opoku Ware School. Go ahead.
The average rate of change is equal to 14 pi centimeters squared per centimeters.
Exactly. Last question for the round. Last question. Find the solution set of the rational inequality. X minus 1 all over x plus 2 greater than 0. Yes, Kumasi High? Kumasi High, go ahead.
X greater than 1 or x less than negative 2.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Osei Tutu SHS has 12 points. Kumasi High School, 23 points. And Opoku Ware School, 29 points. Round 3. Round 3 is the round of the true or false statements. In this round, I will be giving out statements to your various schools. And what you have to do is to tell me whether the statement I gave is either true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, it will cost you a precious point. So when you receive your statement, please consider it carefully before you respond. You may choose not to respond. In that case, that statement becomes available to the other 2 remaining schools to compete for. Once a school rings the bell and picks up that statement and gives the correct answer, that school earns 2 points. Otherwise, that school will lose a precious point. You have 10 seconds to do the analysis before you respond. All right. This time, I will start with Opoku Ware School. And there's a preamble to all schools. The following triplets of numbers are the lengths of sides of a triangle. Are you okay? The following triplet of numbers are the lengths of sides of a triangle. All right. Opoku Ware, 4, 5, 9. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High School. 5, 7, 15. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu 5, 8, 10. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Next, Opoku Ware. The movement of water from one cell of cortex to adjacent one in roots is due to accumulation of inorganic salts in the cell. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High School. The movement of water from one cell of cortex to adjacent one in roots is due to accumulation of organic compounds in the cells. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The movement of water from one cell of cortex to adjacent one in roots is due to chemical potential gradient. Yes, go ahead.
True.
No. Next, Opoku Ware. The change in kinetic energy of an object equals the work of the net force acting on the object. Go ahead.
It's true.
Yes. Kumasi High School. The work of the net force on a body is in the same direction as the net force. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The kinetic energy of an object is negative if the net force on it is opposite the displacement of the object. Yes, go ahead.
True.
No. Opoku Ware. An increase in temperature will increase the vapor pressure of a liquid. Yes, go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Kumasi High. An increase in intermolecular forces will increase vapor pressure. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu. An increase in surface area will increase the vapor pressure of a liquid. Yes, go ahead.
True.
No. Next set, preamble to all schools. A, B, and C are real numbers. A, B, and C are real numbers. Opoku Ware. If A minus B is equal to B minus A, then A is equal to B. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Kumasi High School. If A plus B is equal to C, then A is less than C. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Hello. Osei Tutu. If A is greater than B, then AC is greater than BC. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Preamble. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the indicated joints and places that they occur in mammals. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the indicated joints and places that they occur in mammals. Opoku Ware. Hinge joint between the humerus and the pectoral girdle. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High. Pivot joint between the atlas and the axis.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Gliding joints between the carpals. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Next, Opoku Ware. Sound waves in a vacuum travel faster than sound waves in a material medium.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High School. Sound waves cannot undergo diffraction.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Sound waves can undergo both diffraction and dispersion.
True.
Yes. Last pair of statements for the round. Opoku Ware. C small s, cesium. CsCl2 is not likely to exist Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Kumasi High. AL3P2 is not likely to exist.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Last statement. Osei Tutu CASE is not likely to exist. Go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. On that note, the end of round 3.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
All right. Hello. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. Osei Tutu SHS, 10 points. Kumasi High School, 36 points. Opoku Ware School, 39 points. Round 4. Round 4 is the round of the riddles. In this round, I'll be reading out clues for you to solve a riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any other set of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you attempt to answer a riddle and you are not successful, you would be out of that particular riddle. Is that okay? In order to answer a riddle in this round, you will have to alert me by ringing your bells. Opoku Ware School, Kumasi High School, Osei Tutu. Please, when you ring, your answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles in all. The first one, I am a polygon. I can be equilateral without being equiangular. I can also be equiangular without being equilateral. The sum of my interior angles is 6 straight. Yes, Osei Tutu? Go ahead.
Octagon.
Yes. Next riddle. I am a particle. I am a particle. I carry 1 unit of the fundamental charge. I am composed of subparticles. I am associated with a neutral particle. Yes, Kumasi High?
Proton.
No. So I continue. I am to my neutral particle as proton is to protium. Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
Positron.
No. Who am I? Yes, Osei Tutu.
Neutrino. Neutrino.
No. The right answer is deuteron, deuteron, or deuterium. Like. Next. I am a chemical in plants that has been sought for since 1930s. However, despite having been sought since the 1930s, my exact nature is still disputed. I am proud. I am produced in the leaves. Kumasi High School.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll.
No. So I continue. And act in the shoot apical meristem of bats and growing. Yes, Osei Tutu.
Auxins. Auxins.
No. So it's all yours now, Opoku. I am known to be graft transmissible and even functions between species. I am the hypothesized hormone molecule responsible for controlling and triggering flowering in plants. I am regulated by anti-flourishing. Who am I? Go ahead.
Florigin.
Yes. 3 points. Last riddle. Last riddle. I am an alkanol. I am a liquid and flammable at room temperature. I am commonly used as an antiseptic. Yes, Kumasi High School.
Ethanol.
Yes. 3 points. On that note, the end of round 4. Hello. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Osei Tutu SHS, 13 points. Kumasi High School, 39 points. And Opoku Ware School, 42 points. Congratulations to you, Opoku Ware, for winning this championship. Good work done, and prepare well for the nationals. Once again, I would like to acknowledge that the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News NYFM. This is a primetime production. I am William James Akampolimba. I have been your quiz master. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Osei Tutu SHS will walk away with 3,000 Ghana cedis. Kan Ketsi Absa Bank. Congratulations to you once again, to SHS, and we look forward to seeing you in the national championship. Can we have the third contestant and coordinator for Kumasi High School? third contestant and coordinator, Kumasi High School. The presentation will be done by Mr. Adams Isifu, the regional SCMI coordinator for the Ashanti region. For placing second in the competition, Kumasi High School will be walking away with 3,000 Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis to the team of contestants and their teachers. Congratulations and well done for putting up a good fight. We look forward to seeing you. And now, Opoku Ware School. Our champions, Opoku Ware School, third contestant and coordinator. The presentation will be done by Mr. Seronai and Madam Ivy Agbamajo. Mr. Seronai and Madam Ivy Agbamajo will be handling the presentations to our winners, Opoku Ware School. The champions of the competition will walk away with 4,000 Ghana cedis and a plaque to keep Kind Ketsi Absa Bank. 4,000 Ghana cedis and a plaque for keeps Kind Ketsi Absa Bank. Congratulations, Opoku Ware School, for emerging winners or champions. And so the quiz master and so the And so the quizmaster will present the plaque to the second edition champions of the Ashanti Regional Championships. Opoku Ware School. Champions of the second edition of the Ashanti Regional Championship, Opoku Ware School. Congratulations, and we look forward to seeing you in the National Championship. Congratulations, very well done. Well done.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the Absa family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy.